Okay.
As you can see, we have another day, another box, another unboxing.
And another, what is happening?
Yes. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if you need that. I think
Oh,
you can just
right.
pull here,
You
pull
just
along
told me.
this strip, and maybe that will do something. Okay. Do you see where it's from?
Can I say it out loud?
Say it out loud.
The Disney store.
The Disney store.
Disney store.
Where is it from, Misty?
Disney store.
Yes, Disney store.
Lilo. You say to just pull it, but I don't know about that.
Okay. Maybe poke it with something. Don't beat it up. What is wrong with this puppy?
I don't know. Do you want me to pause and go look?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
To be continued.
Lilo, what's wrong?
Does she want her donut?
Oh, yeah, she does. Yeah. You love your donut, baby. Come here. Hey, don't put your foot in there.
Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen such a thing, folks? She wants her donut. And she's so happy now. Look at that.
The tail go. Who's your good girl? You got your donut.
All right, back to the box.
I did not think that I was going to have to get on all fours and look for a stinking toy or something. Okay. Oh. Did you just get this box to see me struggle?
Careful. Contents may be for Julie.
For Gile. Disney, come on now. Oh.
No, it's not open yet.
It's on, I'm almost there, baby. I'm sorry.
Mama's working on it, baby.
I don't know what I saw, but I saw something.
I bet you did see something. There's kind of a before and after thing going on. I just now realized.
Okay.
No.
Dude.
You need some milk? You're thirsty?
No.
Oh.
We are all lactose intolerant except for her.
Okay.
How did you know? Or did I tell you? What the heck? You've been looking at my phone.
So what is it?
It's
Instead of mouse ears, it's
a wiener.
look, Misty. It's Slinky Dog.
It's Slinky Dog and wiener head.
Oh, his ears are floppy. It's so cute.
Okay. Okay, now flop your head. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, it's Zero. Yeah, it's Zero. Come over. Bring your stairs over. He's so cute. Oh, does he do? What happened? Let me see.
Oh.
Hey, down, baby. Here.
It's going to be okay, sweetie, with your Slinky Dog head. Okay, so are you figuring out what's going on here?
I think it lights up, but I don't know.
Read.
Oh, here.
What does the label say?
On, off. March. Oh, on, off.
The big label.
The big one. I'm gonna look.
Light up. Yeah, he lights
Okay, and
up.
what else?
That's the spin.
Are there instructions?
Ah, you can put them on your shirt. Ooh, there's a thing you can put them on your shirt.
Yes.
But the thing is in the box. Is this the thing? Oh, hey, it's Stitch.
Yeah, we'll cover
I
that.
want to see it.
Here, look at this. Here, look. Okay, is this the thing that goes with this?
Maybe. Let's open that up and find out. Oh, actually, I think that the thing that goes with that is somewhere.
Oh, there it is. He goes on your shoulder.
Right. It
And he lights
magnetically
up.
attaches and it lights up while you walk around.
Ah, he got a pumpkin for a nose.
That's right. He has a pumpkin
Oh,
for a nose.
Because we love pumpkins.
Nosy.
Nosy.
I'm gonna
You want to boop Zero's nose?
Can I boop your weenie puppy's nose? Stinky dog's nose? Where are you? Boop, boop.
You have a slinky dog on your head.
Tiana.
And then we have a Steve.
Open it.
Oh, we'll cover that last.
Oh.
Open it.
Okay, the box. Misty, say, what's in the box?
What is the box?
What's in the box?
I don't know. And I got.
Say, what's in the box?
I don't know.
Could it be
She's
a
not
boat?
lying. Maybe.
But a real cool one.
Do you see it?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cute.
Moana.
What is it, Misty?
Moana. Moana the baby.
Did she lose her other one?
I
No,
want
it's a
it.
different one.
Oh.
This one plays the music from the second movie.
Ooh. Moana too.
Yeah.
It plays. Okay.
I want it.
I'll let you wear it too.
Back. Okay. Okay, and what else do we have in here?
Hold on. We have Stitch.
This is the Stitch Magic Band Plus. And so what
Why
is this?
is it a plus?
The plus means better. And
Okay.
it has additional features. It has haptic tap feedback. It lights and blinks in conjunction with things that happen around you in certain places, like shows and fireworks.
Aboard a ship.
Aboard a floaty vessel.
But it's a secret from her, so don't tell her.
Right. We're not telling her that we're going on a Disney cruise and that this is theoretically for Daddy because Daddy loves Stitch so much. So we'll do another video about this in a moment, about the magic bands and why I purchased this band separately via the Disney store as opposed to the Disney Cruise Line website. So that's what we've got in our box, our Disney store haul, if you will. And what do you think? Final thoughts?
I love it. Thank you. Did I show you the weenie dog headband?
I don't know.
Did I? I didn't think I did. I thought I showed someone at work and that was it.
I don't know.
Or you just saw it and was like, she crazy. She's the weenie dog lady, which I am.
Crazy weenie lady.
Oh yeah, look at them.
And I guess Misty, where's Slinky Dog? Did you take it off your head? Where did you put it? Where did you put it?
Right here.
Right here? Okay. And so we'll take a closer look at Slinky Dog with these floppy ears. Blinky,
Flop,
blinky,
flop. And his
blinky.
legs too, just.
And his legs just dangle.
Do you want to wear them?
Dangly legs. And look at that Slinky in there. I like it.
He's so cute.
Okay. Can I, Misty, wifey, can we get an okay 3? Okay, you know what? Ecto, okay, bye.
Okay, ready?